everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a DIY hair mask. I've been doing a lot of research and I figured out what ingredients do what good things for your hair. So I put together this hair mask recipe and I'm going to try it out. So let's just jump right into this video. The first thing I'm going to add is 1 egg. This is rich in protein and biotin, which is good for damaged hair, and it also prevents breakage. It also increases hair growth. Now I'm just going to add 1/4 cup of milk. This is good because it thickens your hair and makes it stronger and also makes it shiny. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This is good for moisturizing and nourishing your scalp. Also, it's good if you have an itchy scalp. Next, I'm going to add about 5 drops of peppermint oil. This increases blood circulation, which equals faster hair growth. Also, it's said to prevent some hair loss. The last thing you have to do is mix it all up, and then you can use it on your hair. So now I just am in the bathroom applying the hair mask. So what I'm going to do first is split my hair into 2 sections and then put the hair mask into my hair, starting from the bottom and then working my way up to my scalp and then just massaging it into my scalp. Then also you'll want to make sure you're wearing a shirt that you don't mind getting hair mask all over because you will get some on your clothes. So just make sure you're wearing the right clothes. So then you can see I'm putting it at the top of my head and just rubbing it into my scalp. Then you want to make sure every hair is covered in the hair mask. So at the end, this was probably a bad idea, but I decided to pour the leftover hair mask on top of my head, and that didn't work too well, so I recommend not doing that. But then once you're all done, you're just gonna make your hair into a bun and then put it in a shower cap and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. Once you've let that sit in your hair for 15 or 30 minutes, you'll just want to wash it out of your hair, and you can shampoo your hair twice just to get all the hair mask out. So I have washed my hair and it is in the process of drying. I just wanted to mention a few things though. So first off, you can use whatever shampoo and conditioner you want to wash out the hair mask. So I actually make my own shampoo and conditioner and that works really well for me. I have a video for that, I'll put it in the description box. So please check that out if you're interested in that. Then I will come back and show you what my hair looks like once it's all dry. My hair is all dry and this is what it looks like. It did turn out pretty dry, so one thing I would change with the recipe is adding like 1 teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil just to add some moisture to your hair. The reason I didn't do that in the first place was because my hair was really greasy, so I didn't think it needed that, but it turns out it did. So if you try out this recipe, try adding like 1 teaspoon of olive oil and it should turn out a little bit better. But I still think this turned out pretty well. And that's it for this video. So comment down below if you tried out this hair mask and how it worked for you. And also, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos.